We have the island surrounded with our cluebots. Everything they see, we can see too. They're watching the vines, the surface of the water, and even the air.
If anything tries to swing, swim, or fly onto the island, our cluebots will spot it.
So, what do we do now?
Now, we wait.
I think I hear it coming.
Huh? But the cluebots didn't see anything.
What in the woolly world? My fruities!
How did it get onto the island without being seen? This doesn't make any sense.
If it's not coming by land, or air, or the water's surface, it must be coming from...
Under the water. Cluebot, go!
If it's under there, we'll find it.
What was that? It looked like it was walking along the bottom.
Whatever it is, it's moving fast.
I can't watch.
Where'd it go?
Cluebot! What happened? What was that thing?
Look, Sam. Fang marks. That was definitely the fruit thief.
So that's how it's been getting onto the island, going underwater.
It's back for more.
Over there.
Wait, now the noises are coming from that way.
It's always one step ahead of us.
So let's not take any steps. Stand very still, Kit, and listen.
There!
It's heading into the water.
Gotta borrow this. Woohoo! Got him!
Careful, Kit. We don't know what we're dealing with here. It could be... The mouse deer?
Huh?
Oh, hey guys! Did you find that fruit thief yet?
I think we just did.
That was one fruity burp. Burp again, little guy. Well, would you look at that? I never knew mouse deer had fangs.
Sure do.
And look at his feet.
My little hoofies. What about him?
Of course. He eats fruit, has fangs and hooved feet, and his fur's all wet.
Yeah, 'cause I've been swimming. Well, more like walking underwater.
Whiskers, that's it. It was the mouse deer all along.
Me?